Hello, welcome to EduClassy. My name is Simeon Adedokun. In this video, I'll be explaining Python multiplication table using range, function, and for loop. From line 1 of this program displayed on your screen, we have a range that stores value in columns. That's the range here. It starts from 2 and it's going to end on index 13, which is going to be number 12. Then on line 2 we have rows starting from 2 and ending on index 13, which is number 12. These two the ranges can be modified. You can change the values, maybe 2 to 20, 2 comma 30, depending on where you want to end it. Line 3, we have the for loop there. Yes, looping through the columns. For example, now in this example, for example, we have a 2 to 12. That's in this program. So it's going to loop from number 2 to number 12. Then the beginning of every new column is going to print table. That's on line 4, table 2, table 3. You can see x passed as string and concatenated with table on that line 4. So on line 5, we are looping through the rows inside the column. And on line 6, we have product of the columns and the row, x times y. And on line 7 we have the output concatenating the column passed as string with x, then concatenated with y passed as string, concatenated with equal to, and then concatenated with the product passed as string. It's as simple as that. We're on screen now. Let's run the program to see the output. Run it. Good. Oh, let's pull up. Good. Table 2, table 3, table 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to 12. And that's the end of the program. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching. Check our channel for other programming videos and other important videos that can help your career. Bye.